Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this lesson, we will learn how to check whether two given strings are anagrams of each other. An anagram is a word or phrase that is formed by rearranging the letters of another word, while ignoring spaces, punctuation, and case sensitivity. Let's explore a simple yet powerful approach to detecting anagrams using JavaScript. Anagrams contain the same letters, but in a different order. For example, listen and silent are anagrams because they use the same letters. To detect an anagram, we need to normalize both strings by removing unnecessary characters and sorting the letters. This function works by normalizing both strings. We first converts all letters to lowercase. We then remove spaces, punctuation, and special characters. Afterwards, it splits the string into an array of letters, sorts them alphabetically, and then joins them back into a string. If the normalized versions of both strings are identical, then they are anagrams. This method ensures that only letters and numbers are considered, while ignoring case and spaces. By sorting both words, you can easily check if they are made of the same characters. This function correctly identifies anagrams by normalizing and sorting the input strings. As we see in this table, listen and silent become the same sequence of letters, whereas hello and world do not. This function is useful in word games, text analysis, and security applications. Many AI-powered text processing systems use anagram detection to understand word similarities and identify hidden patterns. This wraps up our lesson. We've learned how to detect anagrams using JavaScript by normalizing and sorting words. This method is efficient and widely used in text processing and word-related applications. Try testing it with different phrases. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.